Whatever, everyone. It's Mad Dog. So this is video number 2 of the day. It is still August 15th, 2020. It is me almost falling out of my chair. I'll leave that in there. Why not? It is... Hold on. It is about 4:52 p.m. Hot. And my second package came in for the day. I already showed you the one, which had Top Gun and Jumanji. Well, my memory really sucks. But I got in my second trilogy and my fourth complete set in. And it is a newer set, unlike some of my other ones. They've been a little bit older. I guess older and newer, but this is a newer set. Started in the 2000s. Starring Keanu Reeves. And there's 3 of them. 3 chapters. So here we got John Wick Chapter 1 through 3. Now, as far as I can tell, I'm the first person that does an unboxing for this kind of package from Wal-Mart.com on YouTube. I've tried looking this up, and every single one I see that even has this basic same image is the collectible steelbook from Best Buy. So I didn't know what to expect when I got this. Comes with a slip cover that doesn't want to come off, so give me a second here. Alright. And it says 4K Ultra HD plus digital John Wick Chapter 1 through 3. So unlike some of my other sets, it looks like this is not going to have the Blu-rays in it as well, but that's fine. Opening the package. So, like I said, I tried looking this up on YouTube for this package, and all I could find is like John Wick Chapter 3 or John Wick Chapter 1, 2, 3 in visually sold, or John Wick Chapter 1, 2, 3 Steelbook. And I haven't seen one of those on something in a while. Alright, give me a second here. I need to use both hands to remove that. Alright. So, we got, some little information in the back. You guys can pause it and read it if you want to. Inside, we've got the digital code, which is right here, which I will be using. One moment, I just dropped it. So, now, you guys are more than welcome to try to use it, because I have a couple of times gotten codes that my friend told me that it's been used, and I used it and still got the movie. Most of the time that does not happen, but if you want to try, there it is. I'll be using it as soon as I'm done. On the back of the paper, we just got some information about John Wick Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. Even though Chapter 1's not called Chapter 1. Oh, over here, we got the 3-disc. So we got John Wick. That's actually kind of funny. The way that they did the gun barrel is how the disc goes in. So where the bullet would come out of the barrel is right where the disc holder is. That's actually kind of cool. Then you got John Wick Chapter 2. And John Wick Chapter 3. I've seen all 3 movies. Just recently saw the 3rd one. And I thought it was pretty good. You know, they're all pretty violent. Keanu Reeves, basically the basic backstory is, once upon a time, Keanu Reeves was like this major badass hitman. I'm not saying he's still not a badass hitman, but he's retired. And I'm trying to go off of memory here, which, as you guys know, I've stated sucks. But I also got to make this video quick because my battery's dying. I'm uploading my first video now that I did today, but John Wick is a retired hitman. You know, he's just living his life out. And some people from his past come in, and if I remember correctly, I think they kill his girl. I think he has a girlfriend in the first one. I know they kill his dog. And they do some other stuff. And he comes out of retirement to basically F them all up. And from there, he just basically goes on a massive killing spree. He fights everyone that gets in his way, including his own friends if he comes down to it. Part 2 and 3 has Lawrence Fishburne. So for the first time in, as far as I know, a long time, you have, you know, Keanu Reeves and Lawrence Fishburne in the same movie together, playing, basically Lawrence is like the king of the king of the birds or some crap like that. I can't remember. And right now I can't even watch these if I wanted to because I don't have the 4K player in yet. But if the tracking information is true, that will begin tomorrow. So, here's hoping. But basically, he's a kick-ass dude, and it's a good movie. Let's drop my phone. I enjoyed all 3. I know there's actually 2 more parts already listed. Now, that doesn't mean they're both going to come out. You know, if Chapter 4, for some reason, doesn't do well, unless they do one of those filming back-to-backs, then they'll release it. But if not, then they'll, you know, do Part 4. If it does well, then they'll go on to Chapter 5. But if not, then, like, Chapter 4 could be the last one. But so far, each one of them's been really good. He kicks a lot of ass. And doesn't give a shit. So, that's basically my somewhat of a review of John Wick Chapter 1, 2, and 3. As always, you know, I hope you like my videos. I hope that you guys are enjoying your life. Yeah. I know it sucks right now. There's a lot of stuff we can't do that we want to do, but short video. Just wanted to show, you know, my latest thing in my collections. Right there, John Wick Chapter 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. But, Mad Dog, signing out.